Basically, as high as we can go without flipping something. That's what we're gonna do.
Without flipping something or breaking something. As long as you don't hit the house, we're fine.
All right.
Hey, why don't you tell the whole neighborhood?
Yeah, dude.
Those are like famous last words too.
Yeah. Well, that's true.
Replace the fence, replace trees. But we don't want to replace houses.
No, you can't replace trees, man, because they're not. Can't replace them that old. People get ticked. All right, let's go with it.